Hello, welcome to Discover Hidden Profits. Here's a simple, inexpensive, and rapid method of reducing downtimes caused by work ethics issues drastically. Downtimes due to work ethics issues can add up to about 30% of your total available time. That means 30% of your machining capacity, of your manufacturing capacity. How does this happen? These downtimes, the three big downtimes are: one is downtimes at shift changes. If you're running 3 shifts of 8 hours each, you start late half an hour every shift, and then stop half an hour early every shift. Every machine does that. This adds up to 12% of the total available time. Extended breaks. This is number 2. 15 minutes per shift. That's 3% of your total available time. Downtime at night shift. This is downtime number 3, caused by work ethics issues. Let's say it's just 2 hours caused by operators popping off to sleep on the job in the night shift. 2 hours is 10% of the total available time, approximately. In some shop floors, I've actually personally seen that the machine is down for 4 hours. Literally half the night shift, the operator is just, popped off to sleep, right? And all this on CNCs, to make up for this downtime, there's misuse of the feed rate override, of course. On other machines, it could be other ways of making up for this, like miscounting over counting the parts and so on. What is the solution to eliminate this downtime? Get a production tracking system. Print reports every day for all the machines and put it up on the shop notice board. LEANworx, for example, has special reports just for work ethics downtimes. You can just print these, put them up on the shop notice board, and everybody gets to see everybody else is goofing off. Who comes late, who's going early, who's sleeping in the night shift. Everybody knows everybody else's patterns, right? So the problem just vanishes automatically in a couple of weeks. No talking to people, no nasty conversations, no unpleasantness on the shop floor. All work ethics downtimes, which can account for 15 to 30% of the total available time, of your total available capacity, reduced to zero in just 2 weeks. It actually works. A lot of our users have seen this happen in just 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and so on. If you want to do this in your shop floor, talk to us. Let's show you how this can happen with LEANworx.